Hello, and welcome to my kitchen for lunch. During today's time with the kids at home for school, running a homestead, a house, animals, even if it is just dogs right now, time can get away from you, and you need something fast to fix to fill those kids and yourself up for lunch. One of my favorite go-tos is a low-carb tortilla. For those watching, only 4 net carbs, about a tablespoon of pizza sauce with very few carbs in there. The reading on this is 3 net carbs per quarter cup, and I only use like a tablespoon, so almost zero. Some shredded cheese. You can use Colby Jack, Fiesta, Mozzarella, whatever your favorite cheese is. It's your pizza. Make it to yourself. Put the oven on 400. Put your tortilla down on a piece of parchment paper. Put a little bit of the pizza sauce on there. Whatever toppings that you would like. I used pepperoni, onion, and cheese. Put it on the lowest rack of your oven and bake it for probably 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. And you've got a really good pizza. It gets nice and crispy and it tastes fantastic. So if you haven't tried this, give it a shot. Works for you and the kids. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and help me to grow my page. Thank you.